Hello, hope you are doing good. In today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use Zapier as a beginner. Once you think about automation, Zapier should be the first app or software that you think about. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer or just an individual looking to boost your productivity, Zapier is the app for you. For instance, have you ever wondered how business places, for example, the bank, remembers your birthday and sends you those birthday greetings every year? Well, they use an app like Zapier to automate it. And I'll be showing you how to use Zapier to automate whether you want to add a new product on your store as soon as it is released, or you would like to post a new post on social media whenever you create a YouTube video. With Zapier, you have the ability to pair numerous different apps. In fact, you have the ability to combine over 3,000 different apps. So for example, if you would like to add new leads to an email list, save email attachments to Google Drive, or create Trello cards for new form responses, you can do that using Zapier. And in fact, you can get started on Zapier for completely free. All you will need to do is go onto Zapier.com. Once on Zapier.com, you will go over to where you see Start Free with Email. You can either sign up using your email address or you can sign up using Google. Once you sign in, you will simply fill out some basic information. It's quite straightforward and easy to do. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. And again, as I said, you can get started for completely free. So all you will need to do, once on this page, you are going to scroll down. And right where you see, I'm not interested in Zapier for Teams trial, you are going to simply tap on that to start the free trial. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And on this dashboard, the first thing I want you to pay attention to is the left-hand menu option. And once you create an automation, it will be given the name of a Zap. So each automation is called a Zap. And on the free plan, you get up to 1,000 Zaps, or better yet, 1,000 tasks and unlimited Zaps, as you can see right here. And their trial period is 14 days. So to create a Zap, we can start from scratch, as I'll be showing you how to create one from scratch, or you could use one of their pre-made templates. For example, if you would like to save new Gmail attachments to Google Drive, or you'd like to send new YouTube videos in a channel to a Facebook page, you can see that there are numerous automations that you can use. And it all depends on the apps that you chose when you were signing up. So those are the type of apps or the combinations that they will show you as an example template right here. Or you could scroll down and you could tap on more ways to use Zapier, and it will show you even more templates, as you can see right here. So from here, you can select the category that you would like to use Zapier in, whether it is CRM, most popular, email, marketing, or by role. You can scroll down, and again, you can automate it with Shopify or any other app practically. All you have to do is scroll down and select the pairing or the app that you would like to pair it with. But keep in mind that there are some apps that you would have to be on the paid plan to use Zapier with, as you can see right here. For example, if we wanted to use it with Shopify, we would have to go onto their premium plan. So now let me show you how to use one of these templates. So to use one of these templates, for example, the first thing you'll do is tap right where you see Try It. After you have tapped on Try It, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And you can see how the automation timeline is set up right here. So the first trigger will be a new attachment in Gmail. And then the next action, you can simply add the action right here by tapping right where you see it. Then after doing that, you can choose the action, whether it is a new attachment or you could add something. And right where you see Exists, you can choose whether you would like it to exactly match or you don't want it to exactly match. You can choose the action that you would like to be taken, and after you have chosen the action, you will tap on Continue. And then after doing that, if we were to go on to the third action, so let's scroll down, you will see upload file in Google Drive. And to use all of these, you would have to sign in. But since this is a quick tutorial, I won't be signing in to each app. And if you would like to add more actions, all you would have to do is tap on the plus right here. Then from there, you could fill in the app or the action that you would like to take place. And also, if you would like to remove one of these automation or tasks, all you'll have to do is tap on the three dots. Then you'll simply tap on delete, and then you'll tap on really delete, and that's it. Also, if you would like to copy or duplicate one of these tasks, all you have to do is tap on the three dots again. Then from there, you could tap on copy or duplicate. And next, we'll go over to the left or the right hand menu option, right where you see outline. And from here, if you would like to move up one of the tasks, you can do that. All you have to do is tap on the three dots. Then you can move it into position if you want. And by tapping on the settings cog right here, you can name your Zap, and you can also create a folder, and you can add a description if you want. And by scrolling down, if you go onto their paid plan, you will be able to explore the advanced settings. But since we're on the free plan, we won't be able to explore the advanced settings. And to see the history of your Zap, meaning how many times your Zap has been used, all you would need to do is tap on history. Then from there, you could search via date range, and you could scroll down, or if you would like to search via apps, you can do that. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and again let us go back to the first dashboard so that I can show you how to create a Zap from scratch. And once you have created a Zap, you will see it on this dashboard right here. And to create a Zap from scratch, all you'll have to do is tap on create Zap in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on create Zap, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can choose the app that you would like to use first. So let's say, for example, YouTube. After you have tapped on YouTube right there, all you'll need to do now, you're going to choose the action. So to choose the action, all we'll have to do is tap on choose an event. Then we're going to select new video, so trigger when a new video is uploaded by a specific YouTube user. We're going to tap on that. After you have tapped on that, you'll tap on continue. Then after you have tapped on continue, you will need to sign in to YouTube. And then we're going to tap right where you see action 2 right here. We're going to tap right there. Then we're going to scroll down, and you can select the other action that you would like to happen. So let's say, for example, I would like this new video that is posted to be saved on Google Drive. All I would need to do is tap on Google Drive. After you have tapped on Google Drive, right where you see choose an event, you're going to tap right there. And then from there, you could scroll down, and again, you can see the different actions that you can combine YouTube with Google Drive with. So you can see right here, you'll be able to create a file from text, create a folder, create a shortcut, or move files. And you can scroll down and you can see the numerous actions that you can use. So all you would need to do is choose an action. So for example, upload file, could tap on that. Then from there, I'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, again, you would need to sign in. And once you're finished, all you need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner. And from there, you'll tap on fix to publish. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.